Welcome back to G Fun Facts Online, the podcast where we uncover the most fascinating nuggets of information from the digital world and beyond. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that might sound a bit technical, but trust me, it's incredibly cool. Literally, we're talking about how artificial intelligence, or AI, is playing a super important role in keeping the brains of the internet, our massive data centers, from overheating. And why is this a big deal? Well, it's all about saving massive amounts of energy and making our digital lives more sustainable. Stick around, because this is a game changer. So, picture this. Every time you stream a movie, post on social media, or use an AI assistant, you're tapping into a data center. These powerhouses are packed with servers, and with the explosion of AI applications, they're working harder than ever. And what happens when things work hard? They get hot, really hot. In fact, cooling these data centers can gobble up a staggering 40 to 50% of their total energy. That's like half the electricity bill just for air conditioning. As AI keeps growing, this energy demand is skyrocketing. We're facing what you might call a perfect storm. More heat, higher energy costs, and a serious need to be more environmentally friendly. Keeping these servers at the right temperature isn't just about saving energy. It's crucial for keeping the equipment running smoothly and preventing costly meltdowns, literally and figuratively. But here's where our hero, artificial intelligence, steps in. AI is revolutionizing how we cool these digital giants, moving from simply reacting to heat to smartly predicting and managing it. So, how does it work its magic? First up, AI is a master of real-time data analysis. Imagine tiny sensors everywhere in the data center, constantly reporting temperature, humidity, airflow, how busy the servers are, and even what the weather's like outside. AI algorithms sift through all this data in a blink and make dynamic adjustments to the cooling. This means cooling is sent exactly where it's needed, when it's needed. No more overcooling entire rooms just in case, which, by the way, is a huge energy waster in older setups. Then there's predictive maintenance. AI is like a fortune teller for HVAC systems. By looking at past data and current readings, it can predict if a filter is getting clogged or a valve is about to stick. This allows engineers to fix things before they break, preventing unexpected shutdowns and making sure the cooling system is always running at its best. Ever heard of a digital twin? It's pretty cool. AI can create a virtual, living replica of the data center's cooling system. This digital twin lets operators simulate different scenarios, test changes, and fine-tune the cooling in real time without messing with the actual hardware. It's like having a perfect test environment running 24/7. AI is also brilliant at optimizing airflow. It can figure out where hotspots are forming, or where cool air isn't reaching. Based on this, it can adjust fan speeds, redirect air, and even suggest moving things around physically, like floor tiles, to make sure every server gets the perfect breeze. And it gets even smarter. I can help integrate data centers with renewable energy sources like solar and wind. Since renewables can be a bit unpredictable, I can adjust cooling based on when green energy is plentiful and cheap, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. That's a big win for sustainability. Finally, there's workload-aware cooling. I can see when a bunch of servers are about to get really busy, say during a big online event, and ramp up the cooling before they get too hot. This proactive approach ensures everything stays cool, without wasting energy cooling parts of the data center that aren't working as hard. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but does it actually work? Absolutely. For example, Google used its own DeepMind AI and managed to slash cooling energy in its data centers by up to 40%. That's a massive saving. Other facilities are reporting similar impressive results, with big drops in energy use and better overall efficiency. And the future? It's looking even cooler. We're talking about more advanced AI algorithms, like deep learning, making predictions and adjustments even more precise. As data centers move towards super advanced cooling like liquid cooling, literally bathing computer parts in liquid AI will be essential to manage these complex systems. Imagine autonomous operations, where the HVAC system pretty much runs itself, making all the smart decisions with minimal human help. AI will also be key for optimizing cooling in smaller edge data centers, those little hubs that process data closer to you and me, spreading the energy-saving goodness across the entire network. And how about this for green thinking? AI can help optimize heat recovery systems. That's where the waste heat from data centers is captured and reused, maybe to heat nearby buildings or even support local farming. Talk about turning a problem into a solution. Of course, like any big technological shift, there are a few hurdles. Many data centers have older systems that aren't easily compatible with shiny new AI, meaning upgrades can be costly. AI also needs tons of good, clean data to work its magic, and managing that data can be a challenge in itself. Some operators are still a bit hesitant about handing over critical cooling controls entirely to AI, worried about potential errors, so building super reliable and secure AI is key. Then there's the initial cost of getting AI software and sensors set up. And finally, you need people with the right skills to manage these sophisticated AI systems, which might mean hiring new talent or training existing staff. But despite these challenges, using AI to optimize cooling in data centers is a massive step forward. It's helping us tackle the huge energy appetite of our digital world head-on. By being smart, predictive, and adaptive, AI dramatically cuts down energy use, lowers costs, makes equipment last longer, and helps us meet our sustainability goals. As our demand for data and AI continues to explode, AI itself will be the key to managing the energy footprint of it all. It's a fascinating cycle, isn't it? AI creating more demand, and AI helping to manage that demand sustainably. So the next time you're effortlessly streaming your favorite show, remember there's a good chance AI is working behind the scenes, not just to recommend what you watch, but also to keep the servers that deliver it running cool and efficiently. That's all the time we have for today on Fun Facts Online. I hope you found that as interesting as I did. Join us next time for more surprising insights into the world around us. Until then, stay curious,